cabin filter. 18 grand Cherokee. Probably even up to 22. Who knows? So check this guy out. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Squeeze this side in. Squeeze this wall in. Kind of tough. Can't really do it with one hand, but you squeeze these guys in, and it'll pop it out of this channel. Then, don't lose this guy, but here's your little noose. And that pops out of here. It's actually easy to pull the string off of here. There's a little, see it right there. Rather than pulling this guy out, you can pull this guy out. You see, sort of push him down to get him out. Just a pain in the butt. Either way, you can do it either way. See, it's kind of tough to get out. Just easy to pull the string off. And then, a little latch. This guy. There you go. There's a little hook on this side, which hooks it into the corner, which you really can't see, but it's there. And there it is. Install with this side visible. Made Mexico. Alright, so there you have it. And then just pop her back in. It's kind of tricky, but also trickier with one hand. But it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. So let me get this back in. Can't do it with one hand, but you get the idea. So you just gotta hook these guys in, and this will latch it in place. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.